Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I have a really special video. I love luxury fragrances, as you guys know, but what I don't love are the prices and how hard it is to get them sometimes. So for today, I'm really excited to share with you a new luxury fragrance line that are inspired by the actual luxury fragrances, but made out of really clean products, and hopefully they will be just as good as the actual ones. So today I'm going to be doing a total test, first impressions of this new line, the cologne that I discovered. So if you want to check out everything that I have to say about this new line of beautiful fragrances, definitely keep watching. So if you are interested in this kind of content, including luxury, lifestyle, mommy lifestyle, fashion, beauty, a little bit of Disney, and everything thrown in between, definitely consider checking out my other videos linked below, and please consider hitting that subscribe button as well. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back for another video. So for today, again, I'm excited to try out this new fragrance line called the Clone. So first off, I do want to say thank you so much to the Clone for reaching out to me and sending me these fragrances to test out. Otherwise, in this video, all of my opinions are truly my own. This is going to be my unbiased first impression of what these fragrances are and how well they really compare to the actual luxury fragrances. So I'm excited to get into this video. In terms of this line, the Clone, I'm really excited to hopefully continue to try out more fragrance from them. So this line of fragrances really was designed to provide luxury inspired perfumes to us at really affordable prices. As you all know, I love fragrances like a lot of you do. I love luxury fragrances, but a couple things I've learned over the years is that they are expensive. They are super expensive. So it's hard to buy a lot of them. So secondly, I never go through the whole bottle of any fragrance. Even my most favorite luxury fragrances, I never go through the bottle. Part of that for the luxury ones is because I'm afraid to use them because they're so expensive, honestly. But secondly, I just don't go through a huge bottle of fragrance. So I end up wasting a lot of it when I have to throw them out when they go bad. So honestly, I don't really want to spend that kind of prices for fragrances that I'm not going to go through all the way. So I'm hoping the Clone is the answer to my problems. So this line of fragrances is made in the USA, which I also love, and they are 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and a clean fragrance line. So all things that I look for when I'm trying to make these purchases. All right, so first off, I'm just gonna get into the packaging. A really nice, clean aesthetic. I love this, called the Clone, and it tells you on the back what the fragrance is and what it's inspired by. So this first one here is inspired by Baccarat Rouge, which I am going to be sharing with you guys here in a second. But it's really nice how it tells you this on the back, and they're really nicely wrapped and packaged. So let me go ahead and open this up. So here is how it comes to you. So really nicely wrapped. It was really well protected when it came to me, and it ships really quickly as well. All right. This is nice, I will say. Look at this. It's a glass bottle, of course, and I love the aesthetic. It's really clean lines, and this is also a really good amount. It's 1.7 ounces. So this retails on their website, their 1.7 ounce bottles, for about $45 retail. But they often do some really great deals. So I think this particular one is currently on sale. And I will also mention that if you want to try these out for yourself, the Clone was kind enough to give me a discount code to share with you guys. So my discount code is MODMOMMD. That's MODMOMMD. And I will also link the direct referral to their site with my affiliate link down below in the description box. So check that out, and you will save 15% off of your purchase by using my referral link and code. All right, so back into it. Let's see how it looks. You just pop off the top here, and it's really high quality, I will say, in terms of packaging. So really nice spray here. Let's see how the spray looks. So really fine mist. So yes, really nice. Okay, so I'm going to try, first of all, my actual Baccarat Rouge 540. I have the small bottle again because I tell you I did not go through these entire things anyway, so I've been trying to buy the smaller bottles of my little fragrances. Plus I really like the smaller bottles for travel. So here's the actual original fragrance. Okay, so I'm gonna spray this first. I probably don't need to spray because I know and love this one. So it's really nice. And this is described on their website as a warm fragrance. And then let me try this version. You probably expect that I'm gonna like it, and I do like it. But honestly, that is really, really close. I mean, I can't tell a difference. Probably some perfume aficionados may, but for me, and when you're wearing this and walking around, that's beautiful. That's really, really dead on. The main notes are amberwood, cedar, and saffron, in case you're curious about this fragrance. But this is a great substitute for Baccarat. There's no question about that. I mean, you really cannot honestly tell the difference here. So if you wanted to try this, but are afraid by the price point, as I was when I purchased this, definitely try this out. The other amazing thing is you can try this version out to test it and see if you like it. You can still go and buy the luxury one if you want later. You probably won't, but you can. But it's a really nice way to try this out. Plus, I'm gonna use this a lot for travel because I don't wanna take all of these perfumes around when I'm traveling, and this is a really nice option for travel as well. Okay, so first impressions of that one were amazing. I have 3 more to share with you guys. The next one is another one of my favorites. It's Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. So I love this one. Again, here's a small version. I have the larger one too, but I like this for travel. It's really nice to pop in and out. But this is Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. You probably can't see that on the bottle, but that's what this is in the little travel container. So again, I know and love this. I'm excited to use this in the fall and winter months in particular. But let's see if I can spray this just to remind myself, which I probably don't need to. So this is one of my favorites. I don't love gourmand fragrances, that's how this is described, but this one for me is definitely cherry notes, but it's definitely something a little bit unique about it. I don't like to wear this to work. For instance, for me, it's a little bit on the stronger side to wear, but in the fall and winter months, when you're just cozy and in your home or going out to dinner, things like that, I just love that fragrance. I think it's just beautiful. But again, it's pretty pricey. It's Tom Ford, of course. So I have the inspired fragrance here. And again, the notes are black cherry, cedarwood, jasmine, roasted tonka bean, sandalwood, and Turkish rose. And again, it's described as a gourmand fragrance. So here it is, Naked Cherry, inspired by Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. And then let's just open this up and see how this compares. Here it is. It's called Naked Cherry. That is also amazingly close. I'm trying to see if I can pick out some differences. It's really hard. So honestly, I would get this one in a heartbeat over repurchasing that, to be totally honest. I will say that if I'm trying to pick something apart, maybe it doesn't hit as much of the like a deep note of cherry that Lost Cherry does, in my opinion, as a lay person in terms of perfumes. It's not as like a deep, dark, like cherry smell, I want to say, but I mean, that's pretty close. So impressed by this as well. I love Lost Cherry. But this is a really good substitute if you want to check that out. The third one I have, again, I just have the little sample. I never actually have yet bought the entire bottle because, again, I hesitate buying luxury perfumes because it's expensive. It's so expensive. But I've smelled this so many times, this Pacific Chill by Louis Vuitton. At some point, I think I probably will buy this bottle unless I decide to go with the clone. But I love this. I smell it every time I go in there to make a purchase and check out Louis Vuitton. I ask for samples every time of Pacific Chill. I love it. It's a perfect summer fragrance in my opinion. If you're curious about the notes of Pacific Chill, the clone describes it as black currant, lemon, basil, May rose, and fig. So it's a fresh type of a scent. So I love this in my fragrance wardrobe. I don't need to remind myself what it smells like because I love this one. It's a little bit fruity, but not too much. So I totally love this, but I don't love the price point. So I'm gonna try this out again. It's Pacific Soul, number 57, which is inspired by LV's Pacific Chill. Let's test this one out. Okay, here it is, Pacific Soul. I love the names that are inspired by these. All right, I'm gonna take a different piece of cardboard here because it's starting to really have a lot of fragrance on my piece of paper there. So let's try it out. It's pretty amazing that you can duplicate or at least have very spot on inspired fragrances. This one is one of the most close, I wanna say, to the ones I tried so far. I love this. I think it smells like Pacific Chill. I can't really pick out a huge difference in this one, but I really like this too. So I'm going to be using this. Who knows if I'm going to buy the actual bottle at this point, but I'm excited to play around with that one. And then I have one more to share with you guys. This last one is called Brave in Love, inspired by Killian's Love Don't Be Shy. So this one was on my wish list. Everyone talks about this. I think this is the fragrance that Rihanna says she uses. So it's on my wish list. I said I want to pick this up. I was actually going to pick this up the next time it went on sale, one of the retailers, but I'm glad I didn't because I want to try this out first. So who knows? I may actually pick up the luxury one later if I like it, but this is a great way to test it out first. So the notes are bergamot, jasmine, marshmallow, neroli, rose, and vanilla. So it sounds pretty interesting. It's described as a flowery fragrance, so I'm not sure about that, but I wanted to try these different types of lines of fragrances from the clone. So this is their flowery fragrance. So I was thrilled when I saw this being offered because this is one that I definitely had my eye on. And oh, you can see there's different colorations of the actual perfumes inside. I think the bottles are the same, but see this Killian one is a darker color and Pacific Chill inspired fragrance is lighter, so that's kind of pretty. So here it is, Brave in Love. Let's give it a go. Oh, that's interesting. So I don't have the actual luxury fragrance in this one, of course, so nothing to really compare to, but I do get flower, but it's like a deep note too. That's really interesting. Ooh, I'm excited for this. You have to let it dry down a little bit. I got a little bit of an alcohol-y scent in the beginning, like I do with most fragrances, but when it kind of settles a little bit, that's really pretty. So this one might be one of my favorites just because I haven't tried it before, so love it. I'm gonna go and test out the actual one and see how close it is, but I'm excited to try this, especially this time of year. I think it's perfect for that. So yes, here it is. Really awesome. All right, so there you have it. Those are the 4 fragrances I tried out. As you could tell, I love them. This is one of the best inspired lines of luxury fragrances I have tried. I think the packaging is great, the customer service is great, the quality of the products and the bottles are amazing. So I will highly recommend testing this out. I'm gonna play around with these and come back in future videos and let you know how they wear the test of time. But on first impressions, definitely something I think you should try to check out. Again, please look in the referral box down below because I will have my referral link and code and it'll save you 15% off of their already amazing prices. So definitely go check them out. Thank you again to the clone for sending these to me to test out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.